Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study BSc Physics first-year easy method. Begin by organizing core subjects, mastering math fundamentals, and scheduling daily practice sessions of focused problem-solving and concept review. Use concise notes, mind maps, and solved examples to reinforce theory. Join study groups when stuck, ask professors precise questions, and track progress weekly to build steady confidence for exams, laboratory work, and assignments. Start with active recall and spaced repetition to make learning stick, focusing on core formulas and derivations. Break chapters into teachable chunks and explain them aloud as if lecturing a friend. Balance theory with numerical practice, aiming for accuracy before speed. Keep one-page summaries and annotated problem sets for quick revision. Review weekly, adjust your schedule based on week topics, and celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. If you are finding these tips useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a refreshing ride and a little mood boost between study sessions. I linked it in the description along with other good deals and study resources, so check there if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Treat labs as learning opportunities, not chores, by predicting results and comparing outcomes critically. Before exams, prioritize problem types that appear most often and simulate timed conditions to build endurance. Keep a formula sheet for morning review and focus on units and dimensional checks to avoid simple errors. Rest well the night before exams, eat a light protein snack beforehand, and trust the steady progress you have built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.